Hello students, today I am explaining Visual Basic 2015. Actually, Visual Basic is a programming language which is based on the our English language. Just like in English we write same thing, in programming language we use that terms. Okay, so before it we know what is the programming Visual Basic. We know first what is the programming languages. Actually, programming language is a set of grammatical rules used to given instructions to the computer. Actually, whatever instructions we are given to the computer perform according to it. Okay, so it is basically in two way. First one is low level, second is high level. Okay, तो low level में क्या है? Zero. In a low level we give the instruction in the form of 0 and 1 only, and high level just like A, B, C and print and whatever we are instructions given to the computer, it is called high level language. Okay, so in two forms we just give the instructions to the computer. First one is low level. It is very difficult for as a human being to understand it, but in high level language we can easily understand and make the programs. So we just created, and so many times our scientists created so new languages in computer that is based on high level language. So Visual Basic is also a that type of languages. It is also high level languages. It developed by the Microsoft in May 1991. It is based on the basic languages and provide a variety of tools to create user-friendly applications with GUI, graphical user interface. Visual Basic create event-driven applications which encourage higher users interactions through icon, menu, pointer, button, dialog box, etc. Now, event-driven programming is a way of programming in which the flow of program is determined by an event. An event is any actions performed either by using double click, single click, or by pressing any key from the keyboard. As a students, you just use so many applications previously, either MS Paint or MS Word. So what you do, you just click any applications to open it. Okay, what we are doing, we just click on start button, then all program and Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office will be started. Okay, so this is called click event. And after started Microsoft Excel, we just what we are doing, we type. Okay, any applications, any introductions, whatever we want, we just type in computer, in MS Word. So it is pressing key event. Okay, so same thing in Visual Basics, giving the so many facility to make the program like creating button and something else. So that's why it's called event driven programming languages. Now next concept is an integrated development environment. Integrated development environment is a term commonly used in programming world to describe the interface and the environment that is used to create our own applications. It is called integrated because it has many features like designing, editing, compiling, debugging within the environment. It means by Visual Basic is a programming language that allow us to design our programs, just like in MS Word. What the design, there are file menu, view menu, help menu. So same types of applications we just created with the help of Visual Basics, and after creation we just give some coding, and then this coding we just compile and debug it. Debugging मतलब अगर उसमें कुछ error है तो we just find out and clear it, like that. Okay, so it is called debugging process. So it is an integrated development environment that provide a way there we can make an interface or an environment or create our own applications that is based on designing, compiling, debugging. Now how to start the Visual Basic 2015? as all the program will be started same the way we just follow to start the MS Visual Studio 2015. First click on the start button, then all app, then select Visual Basic 2015 from the list app and click on that. Now start options created the new projects and open an existing project. Okay, so we just click on all program and Visual Studio. When we click on it, the new project will be started. We just give the name of our projects if new project we want to create. So project is actually collections of files. Make an applications. We can create various types of application in Visual Studio. Actually just like in some programming having different pages, same thing in we just project is a collections of that files. There we can create different files inside it. Now creating a Windows Form applications. Click on the new projects in the start page option. When we open that Microsoft Excel, there one option is start page. We just click on their new project. Installed template. Click on Visual Basic. Then if we want to use previous template, previous design, so we just click install template option. Then choose Windows Form applications in the middle sections of the dialog box. We may specify the name of applications in the name box. We may choose the save it later and click on the OK button and the Visual Studio IDL apply. Okay, so in Visual Studio we just how to open it. First start button, then all program, then Visual Studio. So for that new project will be started. Inside that project we just create so many files. Okay, so when we created that new projects, we must be choose any template, either blank or either previously designed, and there we just create form. Okay, and that applications we must be give the name, otherwise it will be not work properly. Then click on OK button. Thank you dear students.